Number 1. This is your chance to own a piece of American automotive history. A 1952 Chevrolet Styleline Business Coupe is waiting for you in Mount Pleasant, Pennsylvania. This classic ride is going for $9,500. It's only got 1,234 miles on the odometer, and it's ready for new adventures. Under the hood, you'll find a 355 small block engine paired with a 700R automatic transmission, making it a reliable option for long hauls. The seller vouches that this ride has cruised to Ohio multiple times without a hitch. The interior is red and the exterior is beige, making for a striking appearance. This Chevrolet Styleline Business Coupe is a fantastic cruiser. This is a cash-only deal, no trades considered. This car is road ready. So if you're looking for a classic driver, check this one out.
If you're finding value in what we're sharing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Your support helps us create more great content. Thank you.
Number 2. Discover a piece of automotive history with this 1986 Chevrolet Monte Carlo SS Coupe. This classic muscle car is located in Colonia, New Jersey, and is being offered for $4,000. Under the hood of this Monte Carlo SS is an automatic transmission, and the odometer reads 130,000 miles. The car's body is finished in a deep burgundy color, which pairs nicely with the purple interior. The current owner bought it with plans for a full restoration, but as often happens, life got in the way, and the project never got started. The car currently doesn't start and will require significant effort to restore nearly all of its systems. But at $4,000, it's an excellent foundation for someone ready to tackle some serious work and bring this muscle car back to its former glory. Number 3. Powered by a smooth-running 6-cylinder engine and featuring rear-wheel drive, it promises a comfortable cruising experience. Introducing the 1978 Lincoln Town Car from Stafford Springs, Connecticut. This car is available for $6,000. Here we have a rare find, a 78 model Lincoln Town Car in fantastic overall shape. In 45 years, the car has only put on 60,000 miles, and it comes with an automatic transmission. The exterior is finished in blue with the same deep blue shade carrying through to the interior, which features leather seats. This color combo and the low verified mileage make this a compelling choice for anyone in the market for a sedan that's ready to hit the road. It offers the straight goods, as advertised by the seller, with no guesswork involved. Just hop in and hit the road.
Here I am making a new video of the 1978 Lincoln. Beautiful condition. Needs a new owner. A lot of you asked me the interior pictures, so I'm going to put it in the interior now. Okay. There's the interior there. All right. See if I can get some inside there. There we go. There, through the window. Should have grabbed the key. We dropped the price a little. It's a beautiful Lincoln. Ready for the road. Fit you and everybody you know in it. 460 V8, 60,000 miles on it.
Number 4. Check out this 1982 Fiat 124 Spider Classica two-door convertible, located in Montgomery, New York, priced at $4,900. This Fiat only has 1,111 miles on the odometer, which is super low mileage for a car of its age. Under the hood, the engine runs great, and the car comes with a stick shift, offering a direct driving experience. This car sports a red exterior with a beige interior. While the drivetrain is in tip-top shape, the car's exterior could use some TLC. This is a perfect chance for someone looking to put their own touch on its looks and customize it to their liking. This 1982 Fiat 124 Spider is offered for $4,900, and the seller is open to negotiation. They're also open to trades for a Jeep Wrangler or a classic Mustang. Grab yourself a stick-shift convertible that already runs great and whose looks you can make your own. Number 5. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion. In the spotlight today is a 1977 Chevrolet Corvette Stingray Coupe, located in Little Silver, New Jersey. This two-door is going for $5,500. This 1977 Corvette fires right up and drives great, equipped with an automatic transmission. Under the hood, there's a new, reconditioned original radiator, keeping the engine running smoothly. Notably, the new electronic pop-up headlights work flawlessly. The odometer shows 74,000 original miles. The body of this coupe is gray. Inside, the carpeting needs to be installed, and new tires will be in order soon. The seller explains he no longer has the time to finish the restoration, which opens up an opportunity for a new owner to put their finishing touches on it and make it their own. Number 6. Up for sale is a 1963 Ford Falcon Futura convertible, which is currently located in Piscataway, New Jersey. This car, with 83,000 miles on the odometer, has kept its originality and is equipped with a 200 cubic inch 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission that runs great. The exterior is white and the interior features vibrant red upholstery. The asking price is $9,500. Over the past few years, a lot of work has gone into the car. It has received new tires, brakes, a fuel tank, Pertronix electronic ignition, a dual-circuit master cylinder, and a fresh battery. The interior has new carpets, and for increased comfort, heat and sound deadening has been added. Everything works as it should, and crucially, all original parts come with the car. The seller explains the reason for parting with the car is simple. His wife bought a Mustang convertible, and having two convertibles is no longer practical. Of course, there are a few things to be aware of. There are paint chips on the body, and some minor rust is showing through in certain spots on the wheel wells. This car isn't a show car, but it makes a great daily driver. The seller is open to offers on the price or trades for a Cadillac from 1950 to 1964, a Studebaker Hawk, a Rat Rod, a Hot Rod, or a good camper, with cash on your end or without, depending on the offer. Feel free to make an offer.
real good since I put the new carburetor on her. Looks very good for a distance. Up close, it's got some dings and dents and whatnot. It's a driver, so.
Number 7. Here's your chance to own a 1980 Chevrolet Corvette L 48, located in Hillsborough, North Carolina, available for $7,500. This cherry red Corvette, with its black interior, shows 86,000 miles on the odometer and comes with an automatic transmission. It's an awesome car that's fun to drive, running great for its age. It's clear this car has gotten some serious TLC, with many key components updated in 2024. This year, it received a full tune-up, a new oil pan gasket, a new transmission pan gasket, and new valve covers. You'll also find a new ignition cylinder, new power steering lines, and fresh wheels and tires, plus a new battery. These updates tackled a lot of the usual wear and tear. Of course, like a lot of rides from back then, it comes with a few quirks to consider. The headlights aren't popping up right due to a vacuum issue, and the climate control isn't working for either heat or air conditioning. The stereo is dead, but a classic style head unit with Bluetooth is included with the car. Inside, there's a rip in the driver's seat, currently covered up temporarily. The original paint is showing its age in a few spots, and while the T-top seals got replaced in 2024, they still let a little water in when you hit the car wash. There's also a crack in the windshield. The owner's open to offers, looking to find this Feta a new home since it doesn't get much road time. Number 8. Up for sale is a 1949 Chevrolet Styleline Coupe, which is currently located in Loris Station, Pennsylvania. This black Chevrolet Styleline, featuring a black interior, is ready to hit the road. It starts right up and runs strong. It has 46,706 miles on the odometer and is driven by a manual transmission. The owner is letting the car go due to shutting down his restoration shop and downsizing his collection. A big plus, the title is clean and in the seller's hand, which makes for an easy transfer of all the necessary paperwork. This Chevrolet is offered for $6,000 cash. He's also open to trades for a good dually truck. If you're looking for a 49 that's already a driver and has all its paperwork in order, this Styleline is one to check out. Number 9. Discover the charm of history with this 1961 Chevrolet Bel Air, available in Middleport, Ohio, for $31,000. This Bel Air, a two-door sedan, model 1611, features its original numbers-matching drivetrain, a 348 cubic inch turbo thrust engine producing 280 horsepower with 3 carburetors, paired with a Borg-Warner T10 4-speed manual transmission and a 3.36 to 1 positraction differential. Inside, you'll find an AM radio and a heater, along with unique historical documents. The original retail purchase order from February 9, 1961, the build sheet from under the rear seat, and even the original jack and spare tire. Although the original owner replaced the generator with a GM-style alternator and added auxiliary gauges and a tachometer, subsequent work has maintained its authenticity. During its 7 years of ownership by the third owner, this car has received meticulous care, making it road-ready and prepared for local car shows. The engine bay, chassis frame, floors, and trunk have all been restored. The brakes were rebuilt, and new coil springs, shock absorbers, sway bar bushings, and a new factory-style dual exhaust system were installed. A new fuel tank, fuel sending unit, and heater core were fitted. The interior boasts new carpet, upholstery, headliner, package tray, and sill plates. The car rolls on new Coker Classic tires with fewer than 500 miles on them after a recent alignment and with a new battery. With nearly 107,000 miles accumulated, this Bel Air is described as exceptionally reliable and solid. All lights, wipers, gauges, radio, and heater function correctly with no squeaks, rattles, leaks, or drips. Of course, the car has accumulated some character over the years. Its 90% original midnight blue paint shows minor stone chips and touch-ups. There are also small rust bubbles visible at the bottom of the right rear quarter panel, which haven't changed since acquisition. Nevertheless, it drives great, has classic looks, and draws attention with its first-generation Chevrolet big block engine and 4-speed transmission. Number 10. Take a journey back to 1961 with this Oldsmobile 98 Sport sedan located in Rockaway Park, New York. This example, offered for $8,200, features a sports sedan body style without B-pillars, creating an open-air feel when the front and rear windows are rolled down. The car is painted beige on the exterior, while the interior features a black trim. Under the hood, an engine is paired with an automatic transmission, and the vehicle has 70,000 miles on the odometer. Driving is made easier by power steering and power brakes. For added convenience, it includes power windows and power locks. A notable feature is the rare panoramic rear window. The car is currently running, equipped with new tires, and the brakes are in good shape. This 1961 model is quite rare, with only about 9,300 examples of this sports sedan version ever produced. It's believed that only 23 such cars remain in the country today. Some interior elements need attention: the headliner, seats, rear deck, and dashboard. The seller notes that with a little investment in these areas, the car could significantly appreciate in value. The price of $8,200 is negotiable. Number 11. Picture yourself cruising down the boulevard in a 1974 Buick Electra. This ride, located in Toledo, Ohio, is available for $8,500. It's got 94,000 original miles on the clock and an automatic transmission, making it good to go right out of the gate. The exterior sports a clean white paint job, complemented by a like-new black top that's completely rust-free. Inside, the black cloth interior is in great shape. No rips, no tears, still looking factory fresh. Mechanically, it's A-OK, meaning it's ready to hit the road without a hitch. For those looking to add this 1974 Electra to their collection or just enjoy a classic ride, the asking price is $8,500. The seller's not budging on the terms, no trades, and no payments. This Buick is a straight shot to snagging a well-cared-for ride from the mid-70s. Number 12. Take a trip back in time with this 1969 Mercury Cougar Coupe two-door, available in Massapequa Park, New York. Clocking in at 71,891 miles, this blue exterior with a black interior is offered for $11,000. The price is negotiable. Under the hood of this Cougar, you'll find a rebuilt 302 engine featuring a roller camshaft and 351 heads, paired with an automatic transmission equipped with a shift kit. The engine runs strong, and its cooling system features an aluminum radiator with an electric fan. Other upgrades include a trick-flow camshaft, a 4-barrel carburetor, and an Edelbrock intake manifold, along with a new fuel tank. The headlights have received upgraded electric operation. For improved handling, the car is equipped with front disc brakes, power steering, and a 9-inch limited-slip rear end. A throaty exhaust note is provided by Tri-Y headers and a Flowmaster 40 Series dual exhaust. The XR7 style interior is in great shape. The seats appear neat, and it features a new headliner, a new wooden steering wheel, and a new dash pad. The car's floor pans are completely solid. This Mercury Cougar rolls on new Cooper Cobra tires and staggered Keystone Classic chrome wheels. It offers a blend of classic style and thoughtful modifications, making it road-ready. Number 13. Introducing a classic reimagined. Up for grabs is an Oldsmobile 98 from 1967, awaiting its new owner in Haywood, West Virginia. This ride is offered for $6,500. Under the hood, it's packing a 455 engine paired with an automatic transmission, and the odometer reads just 63,000 miles. Important to note, the car starts right up and is ready to roll. It handles well on the road. It sports a gold paint job with a black interior. It currently sits on Grand Prix wheels, but you'll also get a set of original wheels with it. As for its care, this Oldsmobile has been garaged. So, this Oldsmobile 98, with its 455 engine and verified 63,000 miles, is ready for new adventures right off the lot. Considering it's been garaged and is offered at this price, it's truly a sweet deal. Number 14. This classic 1960 Lincoln Premier Coupe, available in Bern, New York, is offered for $7,600. Under the hood is a 430 cubic inch engine, paired with an automatic transmission. What's more, the mileage is only 40,000 miles, and the car runs great. The silver exterior and gray interior are complemented by chrome accents in good shape. The body is free of rust or rot. Driver conveniences include power windows, power seats, air conditioning, and cruise control. Recent work includes new brakes and a refresh of the front suspension. This Premier makes a great foundation for future drives, needing just a little tender, loving care to be completely road ready. Number 15. Step into a piece of history with this 1962 Studebaker Lark Cruiser currently located in Spotsylvania, Virginia. This car is listed for $6,500 and the owner is open to your best offer. This 1962 Studebaker Lark Cruiser has 85,000 miles on the odometer and comes equipped with an automatic transmission. Both the exterior and the interior are done up in blue. The car starts right up and drives, and a big bonus for potential projects is that a donor car comes with it if you want to take it along. After about a year of sitting, this Studebaker needs some tender, loving care to get it back in tip-top shape. This is a great chance to tackle a project that has good bones. The car runs and drives, plus it includes a donor vehicle. Number 16. Step into the world of vintage automotive passion with this 1965 Ford Mustang from West Bloomfield, Michigan. This ride sports a 289 cubic inch V8 C-Code engine and an automatic transmission, and it's priced at $12,900. This classic Mustang shows 30,000 miles on the odometer. It's finished in white with a red interior. It recently received new wheels and tires with fewer than 300 miles on them. The fuel tank was also replaced. It's a strong runner, starting, driving, and stopping without issue. The only thing needing a little TLC is a minor brake adjustment. This Ford Mustang, a bona fide runner, is perfect for summer cruises. It's a solid pick for anyone seeking a road-ready classic with room to make it their own. The car is located just outside Commerce, Michigan. Number 17. Introducing a classic reimagined. Check out this 1978 Chevrolet Corvette Coupe two-door from Novi, Michigan. Priced at $12,000, this ride turns heads with its silver exterior and black interior. The odometer reads 61,000 miles, but the real story here is under the hood. Under the hood sits a rebuilt 350 motor that's got less than 3,000 miles on it since its rebuild. The engine features a 4-bolt main, a 3/0 over bore, forged pistons, and stock connecting rods with ARP bolts. It's got a balanced rotating assembly and a hydraulic flat tappet cam with 460 to 480 lift. Rounding out the engine package are a Performer intake manifold, a Holley 600 cubic feet per minute carb, aluminum heads, and roller tip rockers. The exhaust system consists of 1.5-inch headers and true dual exhaust. Power gets put to the pavement through a turbo 400 automatic transmission, sporting a shift kit and a 2,500 revolutions per minute stall converter. Important to note, this isn't a numbers matching car. When considering this machine, please be aware of one condition: no trades. Number 18. Imagine cruising the roads in a classic, presenting a 1965 Ford Galaxie 500, a 4-door hardtop in turquoise. This car is located in Wyers Cave, Virginia, and is being offered for $4,500. Cash is accepted, but the seller is also open to trades. Under the hood, this Galaxie 500 has a 390 cubic inch engine paired with an automatic transmission. The car runs and drives, and the transmission shifts well. For convenience, it features power steering, power brakes, and factory air conditioning. The interior recently had its floor pans and carpeting replaced. The car has 116,000 miles. There are a few aspects worth noting when evaluating this particular vehicle. While the trunk pan is solid, there is rust around its seal. The front control arm bushings will also need replacement. It's worth noting that the functionality of the headlights, heater, and wipers is currently unknown and has not been tested. This Galaxie 500 makes a good foundation for further work. Number 19. Check out this incredible opportunity to own a 1977 Oldsmobile 88 Royal sedan, located in Charlton, Massachusetts, for $12,995. This 4-door model comes with an automatic transmission and a documented 46,645 miles on the odometer. It was recently picked up from an older gentleman in upstate New York. The exterior of this Oldsmobile is silver, paired with a striking red interior. You'll find the trunk looks exactly as it did the day it came off the assembly line. The red interior is nearly flawless, and the paint job is in beautiful condition, reflecting the care it has received over the decades. Driving these Oldsmobiles is a real pleasure. The current owner, despite having over 100 cars to choose from, often finds themselves behind the wheel of this particular 88 Royale. If you're looking for a Delta 88 of this quality, you'd be hard-pressed to find another one in similar condition. Financing options are available for qualified buyers. Number 20. Discover your next restoration project with this 1953 Chevrolet Classic, available in Steubenville, Ohio. It is currently offered for $21,500. This is a two-door 1953 Chevrolet Bel Air, finished in green, both inside and out. Under the hood, it features a blue flame inline six-cylinder engine of 235 cubic inches, producing 125 horsepower, which is paired with a Powerglide automatic transmission. Much of the car remains in mostly original condition. It has already undergone a 12-volt electrical system conversion, and extra parts are included with the car. The odometer reads 61,069 miles. However, the title notes a discrepancy due to the vehicle's age and the inability to confirm actual mileage. The seller, who inherited this car from their father, does not have complete historical information on it. This Chevrolet is located in Steubenville, which is just a 35-minute drive west of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. Cash only, no trades. Number 21. Don't miss your chance to own a piece of automotive history. Today, we're checking out a 1973 Buick Centurion from Fayetteville, North Carolina. This burgundy convertible, which has racked up 100,000 miles, is going for $20,000, and the price is negotiable. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 Buick engine paired with a turbo hydromatic 400 automatic transmission. The car runs great and is ready to hit the road. Check out its custom 26-inch wheels sporting staggered tires, complemented by a matching steering wheel. The body was restored 15 years ago, and thanks to careful indoor storage, its paint still looks mighty fine. Step inside and you'll find a clean white interior. The black convertible top works like a charm, as do the tinted windows. The seller, who holds a clean North Carolina title, is letting go of the car as he's simply lost interest in it. He's open to trades for an F-body, especially a fourth-generation LSWS6 or a working tow truck. Number 22. With its automatic transmission and turnkey readiness, this is a 1972 Chevrolet C10 Custom/10 Deluxe long bed available in Niles, Ohio for $30,000 cash. Under the hood, you'll find a 350 cubic inch V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, sending power to the rear wheels. The odometer shows just 52,000 original miles, and the truck runs great. The factory air conditioning still blows cold air, and for driver comfort, it features a tilt steering column, power steering, and power brakes. The body is rust-free with a nice blue paint job. The interior has been completely redone with a new white deluxe interior, and the pickup rolls on brand new tires. The cargo bed has also been updated, featuring a special coating color matched to the body. This truck is completely road ready. It's a true jump in and drive setup, so you can confidently hit the road for any adventure. It comes with a clean title, making the paperwork a breeze. Given its overall shape, low miles, and all the upgrades, $30,000 cash for this rig seems very reasonable. Number 23. Here's a rare gem that offers a glimpse into the past. Up for grabs in Malvern, New York, is a 1982 Cadillac Seville limousine, priced at $28,500. This automatic has just 44,800 miles on the clock. The limo boasts a blue exterior which was refreshed with a repaint 2 years ago, giving it a sharp, clean appearance. This ride is all original and in tip-top shape. That's pretty impressive for a car of its vintage. Fair warning though, the front passenger door's power lock occasionally acts up. Still, for folks on the hunt for a unique, low-mileage ride that's largely original, this Cadillac Seville limo is a sweet find. Number 24. Step back in time with this 1965 Chevrolet Malibu SS, available for $39,500 in Fredericksburg, Virginia. This classic ride has clocked 123,456 miles. Under the hood is a 283 engine, paired with a 350 automatic transmission. The body on this Malibu SS is solid, no patches on the floor pans or in the trunk. The interior is done in blue, which the seller describes as legendary, and the slick dark blue paint job gives the car a polished look. All car systems are in good working order, but the horn needs some attention. This Malibu SS is listed for $39,500 with a little wiggle room on the price. The seller is not considering trades. If this ad is still up, the car is waiting for its new owner. Number 25. Check out this classic 1972 DeTomaso Pantera, available in Staten Island, New York for $115,000. The current owner has garaged this car and kept it in tip-top shape for the last 4 decades. Under the rear deck, a 351 Cleveland engine has clocked 40,000 miles. It's been balanced and blueprinted, featuring an MSD 6A ignition, hooker headers, and a Holley carburetor. The engine bay is also home to new fans, a radiator, an air conditioning compressor, fresh hoses, and an oil cooler. Power routes through a 5-speed gated ZF transaxle, which is safety wired. The suspension features Alden shocks and springs, complemented by a rebuilt rack and pinion steering. Step inside and you'll find an updated cabin with a new headliner, fresh carpets, new seats, gauges, and switches. The exterior, resprayed 10 years ago, shines in Guards India Red, and the car rides on new tires. The seller requires proof of funds from serious inquiries and asks that you have knowledge of these specific vehicles before reaching out. .413 engine